Okay, guys, so we have a Chrysler 300 2014. Okay, it's a V6, 3.6 liters. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna generate a smart key for that vehicle using our universal X-Horse remotes. Okay, you can make this same remote work for different type of models. Okay, Nissan, Honda, Dodge, Jeep. And a quick little shout out to UHS Hardware. You guys check them out if you guys are looking for any keys. It's a good key supplier. Okay, you guys, UHSHardware.com. That's their number. Go ahead, check them out. So anyway, let's get back to our max key tool, and then from the main menu we're gonna go ahead and press vehicle remote. We're gonna go down to Chrysler. We're gonna go down to 300C, and then if you guys can see right here, it says 300C keyless go. So we're gonna go select that one. We're gonna put in the universal smart key by X-Horse, and then we're gonna generate remote. Okay, it's detecting it. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and fast forward through this video. Okay, guys, so it says burn success. So we're gonna go ahead and press complete. Okay, so we're gonna go back, and we're gonna go to transponder clone. We're gonna stick the key back in there. We're gonna go ahead and read the transponder. It just said ID 46. Perfect, transponder 46, as you guys can see. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and program it to our vehicle. Okay. One thing too is, as you guys can see, you can go ahead and just put your key, okay, for your flip remote. And there's a little screw in there that holds this metal piece in here. As you guys can see, it comes out, and you just put your roll pin and you attach your blade to the little metal bracket. Just go ahead and put it back in there. Like so, you put your little screw in there, and then you have your emergency key. Okay. So if your remote ever dies, you can use your emergency key to get inside your vehicle. Okay. Okay, you guys. So we have our mini OBD tool already connected to our vehicle down here. Okay. As you guys can tell, this car has been previously crashed. So we're gonna go ahead and press agree to continue. We're gonna go look for a mini OBD, and we're gonna connect to it. Okay, via Bluetooth. Try to connect to your hotspot, you guys. Okay, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. Okay, it'll tell you right here if you're connected or not. So I'll do this first, and then let's get to program our key. Okay. So I guess we're gonna do it without internet connection. Okay. Okay. Okay, you guys, so our mini OBD is already connected to our max key tool. We're gonna go to IMMO programming. We're gonna go to Chrysler. We're gonna go select by model, Asia. We're gonna go to 300C, and then we're gonna go to 2008 through 2014, okay? When you guys get to this menu, we're gonna go to keyless go. We're gonna start execution. The first thing we gotta do is read the password, okay? Please switch ignition on. Okay, it's on. We're gonna press okay. There's our password, 8690. We're gonna press OK. We're gonna go to add a key. Please turn on security light. Okay. Emergency lights are on. We're gonna press OK. We're gonna enter our password that we got. We're gonna press OK. Please put the wanted adding smart key to the position of the central control box and press unlock. Okay, so we pressed it. So I finally did it. Okay, you guys see the locks. It clicked. We're gonna press OK. And then we're gonna try our smart key. Make sure that it works perfectly. We're gonna turn off our emergency lights. Wow, look at that, you guys. Locks, unlocks. The trunk opens, you guys. Okay, let's see if it turns on. Okay, it says key not detected. Okay, let's step out of the car. Lock it. Go ahead and close our trunk. One more time, as you guys can see. Trunk opens. Okay, so let's go. Let's try to turn the car on. So just press brake and then press the start button. Perfect, you guys. Check it out. Our new smart key, you guys. Isn't that perfect? So that's how you do, you guys. An all key's lost, or when you're adding a key. Sometimes if you have an issue with not detecting it, you guys make sure you change the battery and put a new fresh battery on it. Okay. Or when you're driving, you go ahead and put it in the. You can put it in here. Perfect, you guys. Isn't that amazing? On the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the leashy, so we can go ahead and get the cuts for the emergency key that's on the driver door. Okay, that's going to be on our next video. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked this video and it helped you guys out, make sure you guys hit like, subscribe to my channel. If you guys are interested about my jiggler keys for GM, Chevy, Cadillac, make sure you email me at lilroxx001@yahoo.com, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care. Okay, you guys, I have a fast link right here. This is a little OBD programming tool that one of my friends sent me. Shout out to Matt. Okay, Grey Goose Motors. You guys check them out. Okay, you guys, the first thing we gotta do is go ahead and turn the truck on. Okay, the vehicle. Okay, so this is a Sierra. Okay, 2009. So we're gonna go ahead and plug in the fast link to the OBD port. You should hear a beep. So it beeped right now, and then it says remote key learning active. Okay, program it. So but we do have the fast link, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and hold the lock and unlock together for about 30 seconds. You should hear the truck beep. Okay, so the locks cycled a little bit. I heard them. Okay, so we're gonna let it go. As you guys can see, they work now. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn off our vehicle. We're gonna take the fast link off and try it out. Okay, let's go ahead, let's close our doors. Okay, Like I said, I don't have any vehicles and any menus on here, any buttons that I can use to do it on board, but there's a way to do it on board. Okay, but I don't have any buttons on this truck, so the fast link was the way to go. Okay, this is it right here. And the link on the page that it sent me, it's for Buick, Cadillac, Escalade, Chevrolet, Avalanche, Suburban, Tahoe, GMC, and it'll go all the way from 2011 to 2014, 15. Okay, so that's really good. There's some vehicles over 2011. Over like 2011 or higher, you can't really do that yourself. You need a programmer. But the older models that use a Z keyway, they have a remote. You can do it on board, like I said, but you need to have the little menu, the buttons that you press, and this truck doesn't come with any. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked this video and it helped you guys out, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel.